Got the hair laid. This is only part 1, baby. We still got part 2.
Yeah.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Family been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up.
Today in this vlog, y'all, I'm going to be preparing for my birthday plans. Y'all, I'm actually turning 23 on Tuesday. April 16th, big Aries in the motherfucking building. But yeah, y'all, I just did my hair this morning. Y'all, if y'all are real OGs on my channel, y'all know this is the same hair from when I graduated. Roll the clip. Right now, I'm about to go and get my toes done. I have an appointment at 2 and it's like 1:45. So I need to hurry up. And at 3:30, I have a nail appointment. So the hair, nails, and toes is gonna be done today, y'all. And tomorrow I'm doing my lashes and I'm actually doing a photo shoot. So I have a lot going on this weekend, y'all. But it's okay because literally it's all gonna be worth it. I already got the hair laid. But yeah, y'all, before I'm late to this appointment, let's get a move on. So let's go. Okay, y'all, here are the toes. I had to put the light on them because y'all gotta see these babies up close. They look so good. Yeah, she did her a big one. This one right here, y'all, is a little slanted, but I'm gonna let it slide because they still look cute and you can't really tell. But these are my toes. But it is now currently 3:08 and I'm about to go get my nails done this time because they look crazy. You know, you gotta get the whole shebang when your birthday come around. You gotta get the nails, the hair, the toes, the brows, the lashes, all that. Toes is done, hair is done. Now I gotta go get my nails, and then tomorrow I'm doing my lashes. Yeah, I think that's it. But my nail appointment is in like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna head out so I won't be late because y'all know y'all girlies be liking to charge that late fee. Not having it today. So yeah, y'all, I will see y'all when my nails are done. So I literally just finished getting my nails done. They are so freaking cute. They're like French tips with a little charm on them. So cute. Right now I don't know if I told y'all this, but I'm literally going to be making one of those flower bouquets that people have for their birthday. I literally was going to buy one, but they literally like start at $100, and I'm not paying that. So I do what I do, and I went on TikTok and I found a DIY video. Like, I'm gonna do it myself. So yeah, y'all know I'm the DIY girly when it comes to hair. Like, if I knew how to do my nails, I would do them, but I don't, and I'd rather just pay somebody. But I do my hair. Like, y'all know I'm gonna try and do something on my own if I can, and that's what I'm gonna do to save some money, because even though I'm working and I have money, the reason why I still have money is because I don't spend it all the time. I save. Publix actually has some like roses on sale, so I'm probably gonna go pick those up. And then I also have to get like something to put them in. So that's where I'm headed to right now. We're gonna go get the wrapping paper, and then we're gonna go get the flowers, and then we're gonna make it. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. I may put that tutorial in another video because it probably will take up at least like a good 10-15 minutes. So be on the lookout for that video as well. I don't know if it'll be out before this vlog, but we'll see. It's already almost like 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna head over there. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so this is what I have so far to make the flowers. I brought this base from Joann's, and I got 2 dozen flowers from Publix, y'all. They are originally $12.99, but I got both of them for buy one get one free because Publix just happened to have them on sale this week. So I just know God was looking out for me.
Switching sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch of both. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go.
Alright, good morning, y'all. It's actually the next day. Today is Sunday, and I still have a lot of stuff to do today. As y'all can tell, I just woke up because my hair is looking crazy. I haven't flat ironed it yet. I'm actually taking pictures tonight, and I still have a lot of stuff to do, y'all. Like, I still have to do my lashes. And on top of that, my family is actually coming up here to decorate my room. My mom literally does it every year. Like, I'll show y'all clips from previous years. She literally does it every single year.
Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I played it back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn, the boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped them, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, and that come being.
But I'm excited. I'm very excited because my birthday is in 2 days. But right now I'm about to watch my church service and do my lashes at the same time. Yeah, y'all, without further ado, let's get into it. We have a lot of things to do today. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, of course, because why not? So yeah, let's go do my lashes.
Alright y'all, so I'm going to start by showing you guys the lashes and the utensils that I'm using. I like to shave mine with a nail filer to get all the excess glue off. But right now I'm going in and I'm adding the bond. I use a bond and seal on all my cluster lashes. And basically what you want to do is you want to wait until the glue not completely dries but gets a little tacky to where the lash will stick. So you want to fan dry it, air dry it, do whatever you want to do. But it normally only takes about 30 seconds and then you can go in and apply the lash. So I like to apply them pretty quickly before the glue dries all the way. And as you can tell, your lashes are going to stick to it pretty easily. I like to go in and double up to make it look a little fuller, so I'm just going to repeat that same process on the other eye as well. It's a really simple way to do your lashes, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I started doing them about a year or two ago, and I have just fell in love with them. Doing your own lashes is definitely a plus. And the girlies who know how to do lashes save money, okay? And this turned out to be such a cute little set, and I highly recommend doing your lashes at home. Y'all, this set from You Cool Me Lashes I got off TikTok shop, and it was only $15, y'all. Run, don't walk, okay? And like I said before, I just like to double up the lashes, so I'm adding a little extra bond on top, and then boom, we're done. This is the finished product, and I think they look so cute, and they just eat. It's a nice little short volume set. And here's some up close and personal. They eat.
Y'all, I literally just got done doing my photo shoot, but I think I look like $1,000,000 right now. Like, this dress is eating. It's eating. Let me pull it down a little bit. But it's eating. Like, what hair is eating? I was gonna curl my hair, y'all, but the straight look was just giving too much for me to curl it, so I just left it straight. But y'all, my friend Zariah took the pictures, y'all. Shout out to Zariah, for real. She was with me when I did my graduation photo shoot, and I was like, let me just get my girl to take my pictures, and she took them, y'all, and they came out so freaking good. Like, I did a little bit of makeup, I put a little foundation on, did a little lip combo and all that, did my eyebrows, and everything just came together. I literally have on slides right now because my feet were hurting so bad, but I had on some cute clear heels, and of course I'm going to show y'all what the pics came out looking like, so I'm going to insert them right here. I made my flower bouquet. It's all glittery on the inside. It's just so cute. Like, it just really came together. But yeah, y'all, it's actually like almost 11 o'clock, and I have work in the morning, and I will be working on my birthday as well. I don't really care about taking my birthday off because what else am I gonna do on a Tuesday, you know? But I had to come on here and show y'all this little fit. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to finish getting ready for this work week that I have ahead of me. I'm having a cabin trip this weekend, and I'll just get into all that. That's gonna be a different vlog. I am probably gonna conclude this vlog here, but I wanted to show y'all how I look. Can't wait to drop these pictures, and make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because Instagram is going to see them first. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next birthday vlog because this is only part 1, baby. We still got part 2.